beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and please feel free to join the family by subscribing, and please also don't forget to hit the like button. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. On today's video, we are making a hair oil using green pepper and other ingredients like ginger, garlic, and black pepper, which is also called cayenne pepper. This oil contains a lot of nutrients, which is very essential for our hair. You can use this oil for scalp massaging. You can also use it for hot oil treatment, pre-poo, and you can as well add it into your other hair treatment like homemade deep conditioner and many more. So the first thing that I have to do here is to wash the green pepper, wash the garlic and ginger, remove the cloves of the garlic and peel the ginger skin. Then I will get the black pepper ready for grinding. To prepare this super hair oil, I'll be using virgin olive oil to prepare this oil, and this is the container that I'll be using for this preparation. All the ingredients that we are going to use in preparing this oil contains antibacterial properties, which are good for your hair, scalp, and hair roots. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria, which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. It prevents graying of hair, improves the health of scalp, prevents hair loss, promotes and stimulates hair growth. Green peppers are an excellent source of natural silicone, which is very beneficial for our hair. It increases the blood circulation throughout the scalp and hair roots. It works as a natural hair growth stimulator and helps our hair to grow fast. Cayenne pepper, which is also known as black pepper, contains vitamin C, which helps you in cleaning your scalp and getting rid of dead skin cells from the scalp. Black pepper is packed with antibacterial properties that can help fight scalp infection, which in turn help reduce hair fall. It improves hair growth, it minimizes hair breakages and thinning, also slow down premature graying. When it comes to the benefits of ginger for our hair, ginger promotes hair growth, it helps to fight dandruff, ginger conditions your hair, and prevents split ends.